Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the video about how to enable them. So let's find it, check how to enable developer options and go back to this video. So let's enter the developer options and here all you have to do is simply find the option auto update system, which is right now obviously turned off, but in order to turn it on, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher and from now on it is active, so it means that your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want, but let me leave it turned on. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.